All right, you guys, we're going to try this right from my computer. Hopefully it's working for you all. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I'm going to try this right from my computer instead of from my phone since my phone was almost dead from the battery. Let me know if you can see me, if you can hear me this time. Hopefully it works. And you guys jump back on with me. I'm so sorry. Hopefully. Hopefully you guys will jump back on and we've got this working now and I've got some sound, but I need somebody to come on here and let me know. I forgot to show the cruise package and I'm so sorry for that. I know I said I was going to, and I do have it right here. My mom's scatterbrain just kind of took over for a minute and okay, we got it and I have sound now. Lori, do I have sound? Can you hear me now? I'm like the Verizon guy. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Oh my gosh. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I'm so sorry. Scatterbrained mom brain right now with a million things going on. Yay! So I do have the cruise package right here. And it is this nice little package sent to me by Chalk Couture. So stinking sweet of them. I absolutely love this. I did open it up and show John a little bit about what was inside, but I want to show you guys too because our cruise is in just a couple of weeks here, and it was so kind of them to send us a little package for our stay or for our trip. So it starts off with a little award, I guess you'd say. All aboard. It's almost time to set sail with the Royal Caribbean in preparation for the exciting journey. We wanted to send you a few goodies to support your travels and experience on board. We can't wait to see you and share this adventure. So how cool is that? It's the same room, Terry, just a different camera. I decided to just forget about the phone because the phone seems to be the issue right now. So I'm live on the webcam on my computer. Because if that's what's gonna work tonight. All right. So inside this little box here, and I haven't completely opened everything up yet, but the first thing that they sent, and I never would have thought about this, was a pack of binoculars. Now, if you guys have ever been on a cruise and there are things that I should take that are just like, I don't know, out of the norm that I wouldn't think of, please send me a message and go, hey girl, make sure that you take your, I don't know, make sure that you take your bug spray, whatever it might be. But let's open these up and take a look and see at these binoculars, what exactly it is. Because again, I haven't opened anything up yet to really see what's inside. I was kind of saving that for you guys. Hi, Belly. Oh, thank you. So, oh, you guys, they're teenies. Y'all, this is really cool. And they have a little case and everything. Oh, my goodness. Look at this little case, y'all. That's a perfect travel size binoculars. Perfect. Probably so I can see the whales and the dolphins and things from the cruise ship. Is that what it's for? Or is it for looking for pirates? Am I supposed to be scoping out for pirates? Oh man, I don't know. But they're super cute, you guys. You look really far away. Now you're really close. So, y'all, just a small compact pair of binoculars, courtesy of Chalk. That was really awesome of them to send those. Cool gift. That was just one of the gifts in this box, you guys. Just one of them. I'll figure out how to put those back in that box later. Hi, Loretta. All right, what else is in this box here? There's a lot of tissue paper. Then, if I see pirates, I'm in trouble. No, the captain's in trouble. Plastic straws, Dramamine, Tums, ibuprofen, super expensive. Ooh, plastic straws? Really? Okay. Is that for spitwads? At the pirates? You guys, I'm tired. Alright. Okay, let's take a look at this. This is a little passport holder. And it's in Couture Teal too. Oh, you guys, it's got a whole bunch of stuff in here. Little pen holder, passport holder, your ID. It's a little mini wallet for it's a travel wallet. A little travel wallet, and it's got an airplane on there. And ooh, that's not a snap, that's a magnet. Cool. Oh, the binoculars even came with these. So with the little the usually have sugar straws that fall. Oh, but are they edible? Okay, plastic straws. Good to know. Thank you so much. All right, and then the last thing in this box, at least I think it's the last thing, there's a lot of tissue paper in here. And they even, oh, it's because the ribbons and stuff has got gold sparkles. Is this right here, you guys. This is a travel bag. And it's got lots of glitter sparkles all over it. I'm just going to cut the ribbon. I'm just going to cut it. So we can see what's inside. Because I have not looked inside anything yet. I just showed John what was in the box, but we didn't open anything. You can't have straws on the ship because of the sea life. That makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of sense. Ugh. All right, slowly, you guys. I'm getting this thing open. I just wonder if there's, like, I don't know, cash inside. Inside this thing is my eye patch. In case I get recruited from the pirates. Oh boy. Ooh, it's like a little hanging. If you use your debit or credit card, take the tap off just in case it gets stolen. Oh, Connie, that's a good idea. That's a really good idea. I don't think I'm going to need my credit card for anything, though, because Chalk usually picks up, like, all of the everything. All of the everything. So this has got, it's a little hanging travel bag. And there's stuff inside, though. What is this? It's like a, is that a poncho? Oh, you guys, it's a bunch of little bitty more bags. That's like a shower bag in there. Holy moly. Arr. Or a beach bag. Maybe it's a sandbag. It's a bag of bags. Look at that, you guys. A little bitty. It's. I mean, that's definitely not. I'm not going to be small enough to fit my dress in there. What do you put in a bag like that? Like, is that where you're supposed to put your brassieres? I'm not fancy enough for this stuff. Oh, I'm just not fancy enough for this stuff, you guys. This is full of bags, though. Like, how many bags do I need? Well, here's another bag. Here's another bag, you guys. It's a bag of bags for sure. And more bags. And more bags. And more bags. This one's like a little mini duffel. That's a lot of bags in a bag, y'all. I wasn't expecting to have bagful bags. For shoes, that's probably a good... I'll never get all these bags back in here as hard as I try. But you guys, they sent me all of this stuff. A ton of stuff. Packing bags, possibly. So many bags. How do they even fit all these bags in this little bag? But it was really a cool gift. Such a great thing to receive from them. And I just love how this... Y'all, this company has done so much for me and my family. I can't even tell you. And it just, they go above and beyond for us. And you got to work to earn these trips and things. It's a lot of work to earn these trips, but when you earn them, it's like you handle nothing. Like, they have people coming up to you to ask you for your drink order. Your cup is never empty. They take care of everything, all the expenses, and you are treated like royalty by this company whenever they send you on a trip. No kidding. So I can't tell you guys how much I appreciate all of this and how much I appreciate the support that all of you have given me to help me to earn this for me and John. Because I'll tell you what, as parents of two little ones, having the opportunity to be able to get away once a year and just, I don't know, I guess we get away twice a year though, because we do go away in August. But just to reconnect as a couple, I think has made us grow stronger over the years. So you guys, just thank you so much for everything. Hope that you enjoy getting to see these little gifts from Chalk. Definitely more to come as we get closer to this trip. And I got some shopping to do. And I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll... maybe, I don't know. Maybe. Maybe I'll take you guys shopping with me to pick out a pretty dress or something. We'll see what happens. But you guys are fantastic. Have a great night. I still have to chalk these boxes for my kids before I can go to bed. And I am already very sleepy. So you guys have a great one. Thanks for coming back to see me again. And I'll see you guys back here again tomorrow. Have a good one, everybody. Good night.